and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen T-ROC. This is the 1.5 litre petrol design, finished in the deep black pearlescent paint. You've got the contrasting pure white roof as well, it looks really amazing. You've got your alloy wheels, and you've got the rear tinted glass from the B-pillar. Looks really sporty. Now, as I bring you around to the back, I'll open up the boot so that you can see the space inside there. So as you can see, there's plenty of room in there, so you definitely won't be struggling for space with this car. It's also covered just over 22,000 miles from new. So inside you can see plenty of space in there, so it would be an ideal family car. You've got the black cloth with a contrasting blue stitching. So we'll get inside the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you've got. And you've also got your DAB radio, so you've got all your entertainment needs covered. Underneath you've got your 2-zone climate control. And you've got front heated seats as well. You've got the winter pack added on, so it's perfect this time of year. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those tight spaces. Underneath, you've got 2 USB sockets, a 12-volt charger, and you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold as well. You've got the lovely Ravenna blue dash and door inserts. It really brightens up the car. And I'll just give you a close-up of the cloth on the seats. Looks really, really nice. So onto your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control, so it's perfect for those motorway drives. There's your instrument cluster. You've also got the automatic headlights, and you've got your heated door mirrors as well, so it reduces all the ice and condensation on cold mornings. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.